How to turn off airplane mode on Windows. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how you can easily turn off airplane mode on Windows. So if your laptop or your PC is stuck on your airplane mode, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily turn it off. So here on the flight mode, if I just turn it on, I'm not able to access internet. So you basically have to turn it off, just like so, in order to be able to access the internet. I also have a keyboard shortcut on my keyboard, which is F2 in my case, but it might be different for you guys, which will toggle the airplane mode on my PC. But if this does not work, then what you're going to have to do is press Windows button plus R to open the Run dialog box. Here you just have to go ahead and search for services.msc. Hit enter, and the services tab will open up on your screen. Let me just go ahead and increase the size of this a bit. Now click on any one of the services and type in R, and you'll be taken over to the R where you have to find radio control. If you don't see it, then that means there is no problem with your services. You basically have to go ahead and find the radio management, right click on it, and then go to properties. Make sure to restart it once, so go ahead and click on restart and you should be good to go. This is the first method. The other things that you need to do is release your DNS first, and then you're going to have to flush your DNS services. For that, go to the start menu or the search icon and search for CMD, command prompt. Run it as administrator, and then you'll be taken over to this page. Click on yes. Now all you have to do here is type in these commands. So first one is ipconfig, and then space /release. Hit enter. It's going to release your DNS over here. If you have entered any, it will release it from here. Then you're going to have to do the same thing, but in this case, instead of release, you need to do renew. Hit enter. Now finally, what you need to do is go ahead and do the same thing, ipconfig, but in this case, you're going to have to do flush DNS. Hit enter. And now the DNS has been successfully flushed. Now just go ahead and restart your PC once, and you should be able to turn off your flight mode without any problem. That's basically it for this video, guys. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button down below, subscribe to our channel, turn on the bell icon, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.